Right, we got 540 DRL present, just bought from eBay. So basically plug and play. You have to remove the front bumper gear, so you already remove over there, and then let me show you how it looks like. Don't mind the mess. So already put it on. It's not on, but we have to on it. So basically I'm gonna put positive and white color. I already put the ground one and put in positive. As you can see, you can switch. Look. Okay, yeah. Right. I'm gonna keep updating. So to remove the headlight, you got 1-2 screw. After you remove the front bumper, got here 1 screw, and that side you can get from this side. Like put your hand from this side. Green, red, purple. Compared to the other side. Also. I'm gonna do it right over here. Got it. Ah. Pause. Unplug it. Okay, got burn out other one. I'm gonna remove it. Let's see. Do I have to get? Oh,
I still the 60.
and should be good right there. Now I can just plug it back the old one. Then you should be good. Okay. I think, yeah, we got it.
So how many
You can
dollars you
switch.
gonna pay me? Oh, look at the headlight.
Alright.
Look at the headlight.
Okay, let's see both sides.
Red.
No, that's so cool.
Okay.
Nó ta lên xin lại cho phải lồng từ đâu rồi. Nó nào bằng đây. Nó xuân. Nó do hồi ký thì tôi nó hồi đơn. Ôi tôi còn cái mông rồi. Là sensor thì lần sau ni sensor chỉ phải lại. Who is sensor?
Okay, finally we're done doing it. Oh, purple. Oh, no. Green, purple, red, green, blue. And you also have this. Let's see that right.